Hello great people, you welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys on how you can claim $400 Battle Steed token. Okay, this is an AI token. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification. We have all crypto related videos right here that will assist you to make more money, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss no updates from me. Before you start claiming your Battle Steed AI token, okay, you need to make sure you use your Android and click on Android APK. That place you're seeing right there, Android APK. After doing that, okay, you try to open it. I've already downloaded mine. This is only for Android users. I'm so sorry. So after that, you open the application. When you open the application, then it will ask you about the kind of language you like. Okay, then you click on English. Okay, after that, then you click on create an account. So after creating the account, then we will now go claim the $400 airdrop. So right here, you have to click on generate private key. After generating the private key, then click on next step. Okay, before you click on next, okay, please make sure you copy your private key and store it where you can always get back on and get it, just in case if there's any problem. So you come to your note here and click and just paste it, or just put it somewhere that'll be safe. After saving it there in your note, then you get back on the app and try to fill all this information. Okay, make sure you put all the correct information. Select a password that you can always remember. Okay, make sure you put a special character there. Okay, after doing that, then you click on confirm. As well, they will ask you to verify this code right here on the screen. Then you just look at the code closely and enter the same code right there and click on confirm after inputting all the whole information that is required from you. So after verifying that number right there, that code right there, you click on confirm. Make sure you input the correct one. Okay, so after clicking on confirm, after putting the correct code, it's loading right now. Then okay, they will ask you to put your private key. So go copy your private key and paste it right there on that first one right there. Then secondly, then you have to enter your password again, then verify. So after clicking on verify, then you can see that we have successfully created our own account. Okay, so the next thing will be to get on your profile, my profile right here. Okay, then click on invitation. When you get right here, you can see that code right there. Take that code and enter it in the invitation space right there. Okay, just enter that right there. Then after you're done doing it, make sure you click on continue, or if you're using an Android, then you should click on that place. Okay, when you click on that, it will tell you binding. Okay, binding. So after that, then let's just wait a little bit. They will take you to this page right here. Okay, and you will be credited with I think we've been credited already with $400, as you can see right there. Okay, so that's $400. So don't forget to share your own referral code. Okay, by going to that invitation page that we went to that time, you will see your referral code. Share it to your friends and tell them to use your referral code, and you can make about $400, and keep sharing it and you can make more money. Don't forget to do this, guys. Okay, on my next video I'll make a video on how you can withdraw your tokens, okay, and on how you can as well, make money using this particular AI app. Okay, I think we can even trade our coins right here and make money. So this all about AI. So subscribe, turn the bell notification. Don't forget to share this video to all of your friends so they can claim their $400 worth of Battle Steed AI tokens. So I'll make video about this and a review video as well. See you again.